Hi, we are
Atsili,
and Arturo.
and this video is for let you know our university in Esuna.
We are studying industrial economics. Let's take a look.
Now we are 21 students in our third generation. Our classroom only have tables and chairs.
During the career, we will have some subjects of numbers. One of those subjects is integral calculus that help us to think faster. Another subject is linear algebra that help us to make quick decisions, being as accurate as possible with large amount of numbers. Microeconomics is one of the most important subjects in my career. There, a firm can measure how much capital do they have to use and how much labor do they have to employ.
In macroeconomics, we are studying the economy as an everything. We study how the monetary and fiscal policy intervenes in the goods and financial markets. In this subject, we can check solutions for the country's economic problems like unemployment, inflation, interest rate, and other economic indicators. In conjunctural analysis of the Mexican economy, we are checking what the real situation in these days is here, in our country. We talk about what we can do or what we are going to do because we are studying industrial economy for doing the best for Mexico and achieve greater economic growth.
Ethics in organization can find the key to the company in the behavior of men and grow your profit, having satisfied employees. What is more important, loyalty or knowledge?
Hi, let's go to computer lab to do some homework.
We have attached this code in the admission and treatments to improve our body problems as an injured muscle or ligament. This clinic is new. The school made it a year ago. The odontology clinic, as in the other clinic, being a student of the school, we have a 50% off of the normal price, and they give you an excellent rate as a patient. We can look after our teeth with a good service and a cheap cost. Inside the odontology clinic, there are two areas. The first is where they solve the problems in their mouth, and they call clinic. And the other is for check what kind of problems do the patients have, and they call admission. Both areas have a great area of waiting for the trade. Schools have big and excellent facilities with large classrooms and good technology for the development of students. It is a sustainable campus that changed a place field to a wonderful university. They switch land areas to make a landscape, and that makes the difference between a normal university to a great university.
Our university is only 3 years old, but it is growing too fast. Right now they are building more classrooms and directory. Also, we have a lot of green areas. And as UNAM, it's going to have the same measure as UNAM at the Distrito Federal. I can imagine that. I will have to wait for to see that amazing constructions. I heard a rumor that the rectory is going to have 8 floors, so it's going to be very tall. I can't wait to see it. In that big building, we have a big classroom where we can have different activities like exhibitions. Also, we have the library. We don't have a lot of books because it's starting. In the first floor, we have our English classrooms and a hall of computation where we can make homeworks. And at the end of we have our audience, where we have conference about different topics.
The cafeteria is not expensive as other schools. They find low prices and quality of food. You can choose a variety of a traditional food between two different cafeterias in the same place. And there is a great place to enjoy your meal. This place can be used to work or read. It has an innovation structure where students spend their time or take a break. We also separate the garbage to help the environment in recycled things, organic things, and inorganic things.
This play is very relaxing. We can be here doing homework, taking a lunch, or why not, taking a nap. It's a very nice place because it's green and it's protected from the sun's rays. We have a lot of green areas where we can take a break, we can read a book, we can talk, or we can just appreciate the nature. In our university, we can develop different activities like sports. We have 4 basketball courts, 2 volleyball courts, and a football court. Also, we have a jogging track. We have tournaments of these 3 sports. Industrial economy is playing as a Lagrange. In football, we lost. In basketball, we won the 3rd place, and in volleyball, we are going to play the last 2 matches, and we expect to win the first place. We have another cafeteria in front of the carts, and also we have different options to buy our food and take water